Today, have a reading practice using basic sentences. Are you ready? Open your book. Open your book. Open your book. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Raise your hand. Listen to the teacher. Listen to the teacher. Listen to the teacher. Write your name. Write your name. Write your name. Draw a picture. Draw a picture. Draw a picture. Close the door. Close the door. Close the door. Stand up. Please. Stand up, please. Stand up, please. Take out your pencil. Take out your pencil. Take out your pencil. Read the sentence. Read the sentence. Read the sentence. Pass the paper. Pass the paper. Pass the paper. Erase the board. Erase the board. Erase the board. Sharpen your pencil. Sharpen your pencil. Sharpen your pencil. Cut the paper. Cut the paper. Cut the paper. Glue the shapes. Glue the shapes. Glue the shapes. Color the picture. Color the picture. Color the picture. Follow the rules. Follow the rules. Follow the rules. Put away your books. Put away your books. Put away your books. Work with a partner. Work with a partner. Work with a partner. Line up. Please. Line up, please. Line up, please. Clean your desk. Clean your desk. Clean your desk. Look at the board. Look at the board. Look at the board. Spell the word. Spell the word. Spell the word. Finish your work. Finish your work. Finish your work. Answer the question. Answer the question. Answer the question.